Are you curious to know why you are losing marks in the editing part? This video is for you. Watch till the end. This is Manzoor Ali. Now without any further delay, let's get to the point. There is an error in the sentence. We have to identify, and rectifying the error is known as editing. Here I would like to give you some techniques how to identify the error. First of all, we have to read the sentence carefully, then identify the error. The error may be related to the tenses, means it is in the main verb or in the helping verb. The error may be related to the articles, article a, article and article the. And the error may be related to the parts of speech, especially prepositions and conjunctions. And it may be related to the prefixes and suffixes, and it may be related to the syntax, means the arrangement of words to make a sentence meaningful. Now we will learn how to identify errors with examples, so that I have taken one paragraph from the lesson Attitude is Altitude from class 10. I went to my mom crying and tell her I wanted to kill myself. Look here, the entire sentence is giving the meaning in the sense of past tense, except the word tell, which is in present tense. So, the error is in verb form. Let us change the verb word tell to told. Now it is a correct sentence. Example 2. I felt cold and bitterly. Look here, I felt. It is in past tense. Okay, no error is here. Cold and bitterly. Here, and conjunction is used between two wrong kinds of parts of speech words. Cold is an adjective word. Bitterly is an adverb word. So, we have to change the word bitterly to bitter. Bitter is an adjective word. Example 3rd. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents wasn't there to look after me. Look here, the entire sentence is in past tense, okay? No doubt. But look, parents, this word is in plural form, followed by singular helping verb, that is wasn't. It must be changed to weren't. Example 4. I could brush my own teeth on a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with pump action soap, but there was so much that is impossible for me. Let us see this sentence. A wall-mounted brush is a noun phrase. Before this phrase, wrong kind of preposition on is used. It should be replaced by with. Example 5. At age 10, Nick tries to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. Look here, the entire paragraph was in past tense. So, search for the verb word. See, tries. This word is in present form. It will be changed to past form, tried. Students, for more practice on editing, you can take a few more passages from your textbook and apply the same techniques. I have made a previous video about structure of English paper 1. If you haven't watched it, click on the I button and a link in the description below. We will be making videos on creative writing discourses. Hope we will meet in our next video. Until that, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified on every update of Englishicon.